Hello everyone, this side Vidit Kaushik and I am working as a legal intern at Lexis and Company. Today we are going to discuss what is Order 4 of CPC. Order 4 CPC defines the institution of suit. Suit to be commenced by a plaint. Every suit shall be instituted by presenting a plaint or such officer. Every plaint shall comply with the rules contained in the Order 6 and 7. The plaint shall not be deemed to be duly instituted unless it complies with the requirements. Every suit shall be instituted by presenting to the court or such officer as it appoints in this behalf a plaint together with a true copy for service with the summons upon each defendant, unless the court for good cause shown allows time for filing such copies. The court fee chargeable for such service be paid in the case of suits when the plaint is filed, and in the case of all other proceedings when the process is applied for. Court fee can be decided with the percentage of the case, depends on the case, with some percentage of the court fees can be decided in amount of the case which deals in. Suit to be commenced by a plaint. Every suit shall be instituted by presenting a plaint to the court or such officer. The plaint shall accept file as many true copies on plain paper of the plaint. The plaintiff sues or the defendant or any of the defendant is sued as a representative capacity. Such statement shall show in what capacity the plaintiff or the defendant sues or is sued.